A month passed away and Nkauj Nog has wholeheartedly accepted her fate of being the slave for her family. Her father soon became ill, but Nkauj Nog was the only one to take care of him, while stepmom Nkauj went around spending the father's money.
Niyo, thako ikanya muyo chore kuti numahen.
Chore nu heno kihen. Shishimo ji hokate, shikanaze, niye kaijalo.
Not knowing what to say, Nkauj Nog did what she was told and did not talk back. Soon after a while, Nkauj Nog's dad passed away, leaving her in the care of her stepmom Nkauj.
Oh, I wasn't paying attention and I took a head.
New Year's arrived and stepmom Nkauj wanted to be the very first to arrive at the village festival. Before they set out, stepmom called to Nkauj Nog. While Nkauj Nog is stuck at home, stepmom found this as a great opportunity to find a good husband for Nkauj. Nkauj mother heard of a rumor that the head villager's son, Shina, will be attending the New Year celebration to find a wife. Knowing how rich and well-known his family is, stepmom wanted Nkauj to marry Shina. Finally finished on the third day, Nkauj Nog asked stepmom if she could tag along for the last day of New Year's.
Thọ chia của máu ôn tay kỳ, lúc nó tới gần nước cơn này.
Con cái chị đâu mùa đâu ở bên nó rồi, nó ít chịu ai chịu.
Nè cái mùa cứ để tà đó.
Thôi tôi xài chim hồng lửa, nó cố sự.
No.
Nkauj Nog ran into her room crying. From the corner of her eyes, Nkauj Nog saw something gold and shiny coming from her basket. She grabbed the basket and looked through it. She found the bracelet her mother left for her.
Ôi cha cô yang mua mong thấy ở đó đi. Cô nghe thấy cô sĩ cho cô chỉ là lo ok rồi. Rồi tôi chỉ số cô. Mẹ có nhớ họ tôi à?
Cô nhớ rồi nó, Minh Sai.
Mẹ có nhớ họ tôi à? Mẹ bây giờ có thể tiêu.
Yêu cô tôi tiêu.
Mẹ, ôi cha cô yên cho cô luôn đi à?
Bố cũng cho cô theo. Ôi cha có qua, Minh Sai.
Mẹ, thế giờ cô sao mà nó chưa biết cho. Ít mẹ yêu chị bố của.
Có bố to, Minh Sai.
Mẹ, chị tao đi à? Giờ cô chỉ mong lý do. Lý do tao cô sư.
Có bố to, mà bác con. Cũng mà khi lúc con đi cái lý do kia. Con thình lo chế mình tới tới chi đầu con.
Ý giờ cũng phải này. Cô tự chỉ một khăn giờ này.
Cũng mà mua ra chi đó con hả?
Mẹ, sao cô luôn à?
Mà mua ra không phải. Phụ yêu một tờ tế. Thấu con mua tờ chơi bên chung. Tại vì có yêu chủ chính pha cho cái lý do thiên con thình á. Chỉ mua cái từ bố để con nà cho cái giờ nó. Phụ yêu sai tôi không ô con luôn. Tớ con nó nó qua bây giờ chơi chơi có một chuyện á. Nhưng cái chuyện họ có cho cái giờ giờ lòng tất cả mua ô chị cô á. Con nhẹ thế con thèn yêu bao bị lợi dụng chuyện. Có yêu chủ tất cả trong lo chị.
Ý mẹ, ý chả này vô thế con thèn lo chuyện gió này.
Lợi chị lo. Bao mình chỉ có bao mình đi lo chị. Không chừng của.
Putting the final touches on Gono's outfit, Gono realized she is missing something.
真正明彩，我个真好奇，我好多个。真好看啊！要做工，依家意思，全部做得掂。
我叫你啊，我叫他做牙膏我的歌。
在这家跟去我这边里啊。
Entering the New Year's celebration, Gono made everyone's heads turn.
Oh, talaga joke ka.
The shadows lengthened. The games were about to start when at the edge of the clearing, a tall, handsome, young man appeared.
Sinao!
Cái gì cũng hình anh chạy, chú mới sợ gần như bỏ cơ.
Go Tang made her way to the front of the crowd. She now begins to play his game. The young man danced gracefully as he played. Gono watched gracefully. She was delighted by the sound of the instrument. Then their eyes met, and melodies of the game encircled her like a tender embrace. All the girls screamed and fought each other to stand in the line. Having a feeling that she's going to be picked, Go Tang stood in the line beautifully. As she now was walking past the girls, he looked for Gono. Not seeing her in line, he sees that maybe Go Tang is the most suitable for him to ball toss. He started to approach Go Tang, but suddenly from the corner of his eyes, he sees Gono standing behind the crowd. The crowd started murmuring as she now rejected Go Tang. She was furious and angry. Gono accepted Shina's offer. They ball tossed and gazed at each other with amazement and passionate love in their eyes. Amazed by her look, Shina was speechless throughout the whole ball toss, leaving Gono to be very shy. Gono handed Shina the ball and thanked him for a wonderful time. Walking towards the exit, Gono sees stepmom and Go Tang ready to leave too. Scared of getting caught, Gono ran out of the festival as fast as she can. In a hurry, Gono turned around and took a quick glance back at Shina. She screamed out to him, saying she was sorry. When she turned back to face the path, she ran into a tree branch and her hat fell. Knowing that if she went back for her hat, she wouldn't be able to beat stepmom and Go Tang home, She left her hat behind and kept running. Knowing that he'll never be able to catch up to Nkauj, Shina stopped chasing her. Not far from him was Nkauj hat. He walked up the little path and picked up the hat.